it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess. And today, yes, I have another Motorola Razr 2022 case. I know I said I was done, but I was waiting for this one to come in, and it came all the way from China. I got this off of Amazon. I will drop the link in the description, but you know I had to bling her out. It took way beyond what they said it was going to take to get here, like an extra week. So I think, oh wow, look at that. I think it was like a month and a week, something like that. And there's a top piece. So they had a clear and they had pink, and I felt like, oh, I got a white case, so I'm gonna go with something a little more sparkly. I'll go with pink. So let's get this on the phone, see how it looks. I don't feel like I need to speed this up any, because this is just one of these snap-on cases, right? It's a hard case, lots of blingage, and man, you take this out, people are gonna notice this is already noticeable phone. So what they did is basically took a clear case and blinged it out. But once you see that, oh my goodness. This is definitely going to be for showboating, only because if you look at it, to use the outer screen, you're going to have quite a hump on these sides. You're still going to have exposure to your volume rockers. They're completely exposed here. There's no lip on the inside because it is a foldable. Cameras are completely exposed, but man, oh, wee! Still stands like it's supposed to stand. Man, this is date night kind of case here. Definitely not work case. Around the other side, we have some branding. Razr 3 is what a lot of places I've noticed call them. You have cutouts for your speaker, your charging port, and your microphone on the bottom. Your SIM card is covered up, but you can see it. And on the top, you have a mic exposed. There's another mic here, nice hole there for that mic. This is my blingy case for the Motorola 2022. This is a classy case. If you've enjoyed this video, along with some other girly cases or some other just random Motorola cases, I've dropped the naked cell phone case for this phone. I've dropped a carbon fiber case for this phone. Please click the like button. If you've liked multiple videos on this channel, you might want to consider subscribing. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you're interested in memberships, please click on the join button. That'll show you what memberships have to offer on this channel. I hope to catch you on my next video.